Alright, we finally got the truck. We're throwing the TDI in. It ain't too bad a shape. It's a 91 4-wheel. I went with a 3.0 just because they are a lot easier to find around here and the transmission's a lot stronger in them. So yeah, there it is. A little body damage there. All in all, ain't too bad. It's a good start. So there's the interior. It's pretty nasty. I'm going to tackle this first. I can't stand looking at that. Plus I don't have any of the adapters or anything. I think I'm going to go through Diesel Conversion Specialist for all my adapters, but they don't have the 3.0 tranny adapter made yet. They said it was going to be done soon, but I haven't heard back from them yet. So I'm just waiting for that. So for now, I'm just going to get it cleaned up, get the inside looking a little better than that. I'm going to strip all the carpet out and wash all that and get different seats in here. That's the truck though. I'm starting to get this motor pulled. I found a buyer for the motor, so we get this thing pulled out. Just got the intake off. Got some of the wiring disconnected. That bullshit mess of vacuum lines is pretty much off the motor. So I got a few other things to pull off: exhaust, bell housing, pull the radiator out, some more coolant lines, hoses, and we'll have her out. Well, we got the motor ready to come out. Everything's disconnected as far as I know. So I'm gonna give her a yank and see if she comes out. Looking for a washer and dryer set that can handle big loads. Just like that, we're out. I don't know if I got one wire. This little ground was bolted on still. But that big bitch is going bye-bye. Plenty of room in there now for that. So now we gotta strip all this crap out we don't need. All this vacuum junk, coil, cruise control, pressure washes, because it is disgusting. And get it all cleaned up. And that's about it. Wait for the new parts for the TDI. Probably pull that tranny out too, clean it up, go through it, make sure it's all good. I did drive the truck, so I know it shifts, but it didn't run good enough to bring it up to speed, so I'll go through it a little bit, make sure it's all good to go. Get rid of all this wiring. So there's only a couple things we're going to need off this. Starter wire is here. Possibly the oil pressure sender wire, which is, I can't remember where it is now. I'll have to dig through all this crap and find it. Anyway, there's only a couple wires you need off the Toyota harness, so You'll just have to trace them back. Make sure you don't cut them when you cut all the wires out inside under the dash. So just keep that in mind before you start cutting stuff out.